Welcome back. Today we are working on the Yamaha XT250. And we are going to be doing bars. Yeah, that's right, bars. We got new bars we're gonna put on. We have new, what else do we have to do? We have to put some of these on, new levers. We need to do an oil change, that's last. And we need to do grips and a throttle tube because it's all munched over here. It still seems to work okay. It's kind of grady. And this is absolutely gone on both sides. Levers are all dinged up. They're annoying. This one's bashed up over here. Bars are bent on this side. I think someone tried to bend them back. They're still weird. So we got the Tusk T10 handlebar. This is a YZ high bend right here. It says YZ high bend silver. So we just kept with the silver color. I thought about going black, but it's really hot here, and the black is also, you know, absorbs heat. So gonna stick with silver. Thought about doing a blue or something, but they're out of stock, so just went with silver. I mean, it's half the price of a Pro Taper bar. I don't know what the difference between a Tusk and a Pro Taper bar is. Hopefully it's fine. It's aluminum, and it's, I mean, it should be great. All right, let's get to it. So, never done a bar before, but I mean, how hard can it be? Looks like we just have 4 bolts. These are going to be 12mm bolts. We'll take this off. I need to loosen this. Also need to get all this stuff off the bar. I think I might take all this stuff off the bar first. I think that's probably a better idea, huh? This one I'm going to keep separate because it's old bar out. So I thought this was pretty interesting. I didn't know which bend to get, and there are a bunch of different bends. So I guess the standard bend goes up a little bit and then like it sweeps back quite a bit. The YZ high bend so it doesn't sweep up as much, but see how it's also wider? So the end of the bar is actually longer. We got about 1 inch on the end. But if you look at this, it doesn't sweep back as far. You kind of have a more straight bend, and I wanted that. I wanted a more straight bend. So I went with the YZ high bend. We'll see how it goes. All right, we got the bar on. I have no idea what actual position I like, and everything's just kind of set there initially. But I do want to get the grips on, and the grips, there are 2 different sizes. One is slightly larger than the other. The larger side goes with the throttle tube. I didn't know that as of just a couple weeks ago. So the big throttle tube, big throttle side is going to go on the throttle tube side. Small one feels a little bit more substantial, goes on this side. Everybody has tons of things on what they do to actually slip these on. I'm not going to use any glue or anything. I'm just going to use a little 70% alcohol. Just going to dump it in the throttle grip, or not the throttle grip, just the grip. So throw my thumb on it, shake it a little, dump it out. Now we got the grip. I'm just gonna shove it on the side here. And you can twist it to get it on. Just make sure it goes all the way on. And then, I mean, that's it. Grips are on, and you're good to go. That normally takes about 48 hours for it to really stick in place, but I mean, it's been working for me. So until it starts moving, that's what I do. Super simple, it's not difficult. All right, well, there's the new bars. Check it out. Tusk bars. So we got new grips and new bars. I'm running out of time. That took a while, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.